When you're editing a web link, you can edit the title of the link, you can edit your alias, you can edit the actual URL that the link goes to. You can move it from one category to another here by choosing a different category. You can select whether or not it's published, archived, reported, trashed, things like this. The access level, which user group has access to view this link. And then you can set the ordering of the link. What order does it show up in any sort of list you've got it published in. And then give the link a description so the user has an idea of where they're headed and what they can expect when they get there. The publishing options, you want to choose the created by user. You can give that user name and author, an alias. You can use another name than the authors for display. Here's the created date, start publishing date, and the finish publishing date. So if you wanted the link to be available for 2 weeks, you could make that happen here. On the right hand side, the basic options, you can choose the target for the link. So when the user clicks on the link, is it going to open up in parent window, which means they're effectively going to leave your site and go to that link. Do you want to open up a new window? You want to open it up in a pop-up or a modal. And what a modal means is when they click on it, it's going to give them a nice kind of light box effect where the screen will gray out and it'll bring a page up in the middle and it'll render the link that you presented to the user. When they click outside of the light box, it'll simply close it. This is a pretty nice way to present information. Just to make sure that the page you're sending them to, the resolution of it, as it provides a decent user experience through that modal light box. You can set the width of the target here of your pop-up windows. If you're using the modal, you can set the width of your light box here, and then you can count the clicks. Metadata options for the specific page is going to have, make sure you put a unique meta description in, and you can choose to put keywords in. There's an external resource here. We're going to see external resource at different places throughout Joomla, and it's an optional field. You can allow the record to be cross-referenced to an external data system if required. Most users aren't going to need to use that field, but it's there in case you do. The robots text file allows us to assign what search engines do with this page, and then the content rights on the specific page. And that's about it. At the top you've got save, save and close, save and new, and you can save as copy, and these function in the same way that they work in anywhere else inside Joomla as well. So hope that was helpful.